Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 15th July 2024, Animasam 31, Monday. Krodinama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishmurado, Animasam that Midhuna Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 5:30 p.m. Navami, then Dashami. Somavasram up to 11:19 p.m. Swadhi Nakshatram, then Vishagam. Today's Ragagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamakandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guligagalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Today's good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Chandrashtamam for Meenam.